Don't deny that. Hi. Welcome back again.
Welcome back.
Do you want to tell them what we're doing today?
We're going to clean the porch and also decorate the porch and put in our new doorbell. It's with a camera and our back camera. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. To show you these wreaths. I ordered these from Crate and Barrel first, but they're actually for indoor use. I don't know how well they would do outside, so I found those ones from Winners and put those up instead. And also I didn't use these ones because this one is a little damaged here. The feathers are a little uneven. But these are also very pretty. I think I might use them inside instead somewhere. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. Spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time.
Hello, can you hear me? Who is it? Who is it? Okay.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.